So we'll look at by looking the examples of what arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That means plus, minus, asterisk, and forward slash. I know. So what you have to do is first we'll look at by predefined values. That means initially we'll declare. Can you see from the last one? It is. Why 4 is here? 4 is here. Stop that way. Theme is okay or wait light? Windows D, hey? You are right. Windows Plus? No, it will not work. Ama. Left. This means minus means. Okay, no problem. So see here, right? stdio dot s. This is header files. We call it preprocessor directive also, you know, because here the functions are like printf, scanf are defined. So arithmetic for exam int main will use here integer main, void main also we can use. Okay, so here suppose we are going to declare initially a is cost to how much 1 and b is cost to 2. So integer is type c is also integer type, and we're going to add a plus b. So see here printf, I know. So sum percentage d, because it is integer type in C. So in this way when you write, then click run. What happens भन्दाखेरि the sum is 3. So this is our initially defined, means predefined what we say. So the values of a and b are already defined in our program, I know. So user here is not we are not asking for user to input the values of a and b. When we want to add, this is not the case. It is not the always case that it is not the situation condition that always a becomes a is 1, a will get 1. When you have two numbers, suppose this is the what program for adding two numbers in C program 2. So what we can do is we can use the variable name different. That's no series. Okay, C also you can. So before that we have to ask the values of what a and b. So for that, this is only the message. Okay, printf means what? Enter. This is only for message. It is not asking storing any values. Okay, enter the value of a. Enter the first number. You can say yes. Enter first number. This is only for message. Okay, displaying message printf. So scanf is going to store for us values in our. This is integer type. So percentage d and ampersand a means it is the address memory location, address of memory location a, where that value is going to be stored. Suppose Satungal is address, isn't it, where we live. Similarly, where that values of a is going to be stored, address of a, that is defined, some memory is allocated for this a. Okay, similarly for b also it is the similar process. So enter second number, we can call it. So here, listen, we are going from very basic. Okay, these things again we need in other programs also. So percentage what d, then address of b. Later you'll feel that what we have studied like that. So okay, we can write here return 0 also, this function. Okay, that means what? Now this is the program that is where the values of a and b can vary. Okay, so this is what we have been asked, the value of printf a. Okay, c, that is sum. So when you look at enter the first number, isn't it? Let's maybe this is our number first and this is number 4. So the sum is 6. So the same program can be used for other programs also, okay? Other number also, okay? So see here, next time when you do 10 plus, the previous one is only for the fixed number 1 and 2 only. This can work for other number also, okay? So the sum of equal. Now question, if asked what write a C program to calculate the sum of two numbers, then this is your program. Fine. Okay. Right. So similarly, the plus and subtract also similar. I mean difference. We call it in mathematical subtraction. Let's say a difference. So for that, you just have to change the symbol sign here. Okay. I mean symbol here, that is minus. Okay. And your first number should be always greater. If it is less than, then its answer will be minus. So just to indicate the similar, synonyms to be more familiar, some if you write relative name, okay? For example, if we are doing addition, then sum is good name, good name, for you are doing difference, but you are writing sum, that's not relevant, so therefore what we can write is, you can write difference, yes, diff. So what we have to do is, here also change the symbol, yes, diff diff, and then a down also, here also diff. So fine, this is user defined diff where?
Percentage D before there.
Hey, okay, here also diff, then this is the message we are going to display only the, so difference you can write here now, it says, this is okay, difference, okay? So simply, this is for, again, for subtractions, okay? So nothing difference, only the symbol. Suppose this is your 10, you can see there, plus 8, no, it says no. Then difference is 2. Suppose your first number is less, what happens, right? 1 second, we have to execute this program. So click on run. So what is there? Maybe 5 and 8. Okay, 8. What happens? Minus 3. Yes, fine. These are the similar like this. What QS equals? Okay. Multiplication should we do or not? Multiplication division.
More.
Mode. Okay, mode. Okay, multiplication is also similar. It's just the product. And mode means to find the remainder. The symbol is division means forward slash. Division means in this way. Okay. To find remainder we use this mode. This sign, isn't it? Percentage sign. Yes. So this means what? The first number. This is remainder. rem. You can write remainder also for short variable name. Is that symbol? So suppose, excuse me, this is your, okay, remainder, okay, no problem. rem. So this way, a divided, so a should be greater, okay, no problem if it is less than also, okay, run. So the first number is, maybe we're only doing 10, 20, let's write 25, then maybe it is divided by 5, then what is the remainder?
0.
So 0, a difference is, so wait, difference is here you should write remainder. Okay, remainder, okay, so similar remainder is, suppose this is your 18 and you are going to divide it by how much? 5. So 5 3s are 15, remainder should be 3. So 3. So what about quotient? When you have to do when you have to calculate quotient, you have to use this symbol, okay? Forward slash. Here you have to write quotient. QUOT quote only I'm writing here. Yes. Same QUOT quote. Quotient. Yes. Okay. Okay, we will look at that also, no problem. Oh, just a minute, okay. So this is all about arithmetic. We have finished arithmetic operators in C, okay. So that means, okay, fine. So here you can also, that is also, so here, what is that? First number is maybe 18 again, and it is 60 is 18. No, okay, the previous question, what was there? 5. So quotient is 5 3s are 15, so 3. Again the same 6 with 3 is coming, isn't it? That's right, okay. Suppose 21 divided by 2. So your quotient is 10. Isn't 2 tens are 20? 10. Fine. So this way arithmetic is finished. We have finished our arithmetic operators part, right? Now next, what is there? Wait, constant not. Now, yeah, we can print decimal values also. How? Because when you have to print decimal values, float we have to use. Once we'll try it. So what about suppose this is integer type, isn't it? Suppose we need this is the division of
Percentage F.
we need to use the floating data type, float data type. So this should be div. Let's write division, or it should be in here you close that and you float, make it float. Here you ask in integer, but in quote is in what? Float. Here is type conversion, isn't it? Wait. Here you have to write f. Then here we have to write a quote. Here is what? div div. Division. div div. So here what? Not question only. Let's write. When you divide, okay, what happened? You can use that percentage f. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just run 21. This is divided by 2. So this is 2.2 10 the 20. Are 2 how much? 2 21 and 6. Okay, 21 6 6 to that. Okay, so 6 to the 18. Here it is not being displayed, right? What happens? 6 is 18, right? Now this is what? In integer, right? And this is in what? Float. So we have to convert this first in float. Type conversion also, right? Before that.
Percentage F.
Yeah, here. Milsa. Yes, you can do it in make F also. Here also F, right? But here also. Type conversion पनि गर्न मिल्छ है. Wait just a minute. This is 21, this is 6. So 3.5 in this, okay. But when you ask integer, you have to convert this one here. Here you have to convert in float, and in this it will store float. Because we are printing float but doing what? Integer division. So that is that is also we have to put here float in before this. Just a minute, this much. Suppose what we this is 421 and we divide it by 6, then this is 3.5. Suppose this is the, if you think that these are the many zeros here, we discussed last time also. Here what you have to do is we need only 2 decimal point numbers, then we have to write 2f. So that means point to don't forget that point dot. Okay, 21 divided by 6, so we know 3.5. Fine. Right. This one, and next what you are doing by taking input type conversion here. Type conversion in type conversion C integer into here ka just a minute. Okay. This. How to convert float into bits. Here we should write. I told you, isn't it? Float, isn't it? Before that, because this number is going to give us in number. In number is which is what is the number? What is number? Number is not given. Only number total. So for example, this one only. Suppose this is our integer because we are giving the free number, right? And so what you have to do is float here. Yeah, just a minute. It is will get or not? 21. What? 6. So we'll get 3.5. So it has got okay like that. Okay. Integer is converted into float by putting keeping this float before that. Okay. Suppose float is going to be converted in integer, then you have to keep integer here. Type conversion. Okay. Because this is not matching. This is float. This part is integer.
Division is float.
So when you have to convert from again next example we can see there this a and b is in are in what integer and this is what division is in float, right? When you have to convert the integer into division, then division is in float, so we first convert that integer part by keeping this float in front of them before the expression, and then after run. So for example this can be the 29. This is our integer. This is also our integer. For example, how much? 3 or 7? Okay, 7. Then division is what? Float. So it is getting the floating point values. So this is all about arithmetic operators in C. Next. Now next what? Finish, right? No? Arithmetic. Assignment operator. That equal to like that. Okay. Equal to, not equal to, greater than.
2 plus equals to minus equals to multiplication equals to
Plus minus into this. So we have to look or not one by one finish or what should we do? Skip one by one. Yeah, we become punished. Oh, see there. Then one by one we'll take. Doing other homework. Look at it. Now second.
One, then others will be.
Okay. One. I will do two because one is assignment. Another you can. That is easy. That plus we do. Then multiply division. That is easy. So come to which operator? First one is arithmetic operator, which mean assignment. Okay, assignment operator. So going to learn about this one. Assignment operator. So in assignment operator there are one is what? Equals to. This is pronounced as what? Equals to. Okay. So equal to, yes. Assignment one, not equal to. Yes, assignment operator. Double equal to there is there. This is assignment operator. Okay. So and this one. Subtract from subtract from multiply divide by mod by also remaining right modular by plus then equals to sign is plus then equals to not equal to plus so this is also assignment operator and it is called what? Add to, isn't it? If there is subtract sign, subtract from, sorry, because it is subtracted, there should be from, and another is multiply by. So this is divided by Divide by. Is sorry.
Multiply plus.
So this is last one is modulo by. Modulo means remainder. Okay, see here. Assignment is simply the value of left hand side will be assigned to the value in right hand side, isn't it? So that means, for example, simply we can keep 1 then and see the values of 20 of A, then percentage D. What we have to do is A lah, simple, right? Let's not go that much in depth. So because of that A, the value of A is what? 1 here. You can see here, plus you can see here, okay? 1 here, okay?
Return we can.
Return 0 means there is no function. We can return also. We'll talk about that later also, okay? No problem. So 1 equals to A is equals to 1. The A is just simply the message only. That expression only. And so this is all about what? Assignment. But add to means what? That is also assignment operator. Add to means, suppose we want to add 1 in A, yes, and again keep that value in A or any number. You can say any number, not A is equals to A plus 1. Suppose what is the expression we will get? Okay. So this is the what? When you run, this is 2. Isn't it 2? But instead of doing this, what we can do is A plus equals to A plus equals to 1. Sorry, yes, you're right, 1. So it becomes also 2, isn't it? A plus equals to, if you write 2, just making what? 2 means if you write 2, A plus 2, A means 1, 1 plus 2, 3, so finally you will get 3. Fine, that is only the difference. The number itself will be divided by that another number, and again return back to the same variable. Okay, understood? So similarly, multiplication, division in that way. Understanding or not? Yes? Not understanding? Let's see there. One second. Nothing we have done earlier. For example, if you do nothing there, the value of can you see from there? If you have done nothing, then the value of A is 1, right? If you just print that value of A, when you run this program, execute, because A is holding the 1, A is initialized, we have the value of A is 1, A will be 1. Fine, it's okay. But when you have to add some values in A, you want to add some values, suppose maybe 2, 3, 5, any number, and you want to put that value back to the A. For example, what I am just in general expression, what we do is, suppose A plus 5. Do we understand? Initially A is 1. After when this statement is executed, this part, then 1 plus 5, it will be stored in A, because of this equal to. Equal to means what? Assignment operator. Whatever in the right hand side will be stored in left hand side. Okay, I'm getting or not? That means what? 1 plus 5 and it becomes now 6. Similarly, that suppose this is what we done here, then we get 6. Fine. So instead of writing A plus 5, what we are doing is just we are adding the 5 similarly, but only the expression is what? We want plus 5 here instead of This means what? We are adding 5 in A and back to the value to the A. See that this is the same process. See here, the same method. So it is also 6. Understood or not? So A plus 5 can be written as, A is equal to A plus 5 can be written as A plus 5. A plus equals to 5. So this means comment you can make it A is equals to a plus 5 is equivalent to so a plus no remainder, which is remainder equals to 5. So see, a equal to a plus 5 is equivalent to a plus equals to 5. Comment, it will ignore. It will ignore. Remember, comment. That is multiple line comment. This is single line comment. Now find similar process in multiplication division also. Find now another topic. What is there?
Now unary.
Unary operator. Okay, unary operator means same. Suppose we want to increase the value of by only 1. Then what we write is we plus. Suppose let's see, okay, just for previous method, a plus 1, so we'll get 2, isn't it? You don't think only 1, you can put here 5 also. So what is the 6? Yes. And similarly, instead of writing a is equal to a plus 1, what we can do is a plus plus only, no 1. Now it is not necessary, only unary means now 6. Fine.
A plus plus direct.
Direct a plus plus. This is unary operator means we are going to only use the single operator. That means we are not going to plus plus. But 3 plus no, that is not the 6.
Single plus
You can go in when you take single plus also it is not valid, I think. Suppose single plus. This is wrong.
A plus 2 then.
Syntax. That is again we have gone this assignment and unary operator means what? Unary operator means it will. This is not okay. Okay.
If we want to add a equals a plus 1, a plus 2 then.
If you want to add a is equals to a plus 2, you have to write that one. A plus 2. Then you have to write a plus equals to 2 here. This one. This
Only
one.
for the one we just need
A plus uniform. Okay. Similarly, when you want to decrease the value of variable by 1, then minus minus. Okay. This becomes what? A minus 1 is equals to minus means how much? 4. So 4. Fine. Understood or not? This is unary operator. Okay. We just decrease the value of the given variable or by 1. This is called decrement operator. Okay, that was increment operator. This is now decrement operator. Fine. So another one, relational means that one less than equals to exactly. Double equals to means exactly equal to, not in a single digit also difference. Okay, that means let's see here. Okay.
How do we compare?
We can compare and not just a minute. Okay? So, which are operator? Relational operator. So, what are in relational operators? Equal to, less than, equal to, greater than, greater than. This is or not? This is not. Let's see. So assignment after relational. So in relational operator, so double equal. Yes, this means equals to what? Equals to, and one is less than. Don't do this, no. Greater than.
Less than or equals to.
Wait.
Less than or equal to.
What happened? Why don't. So this is what less than, greater than, equals to, in this way. Yes, symbol is Okay, first less than or equals to.
Sir, less than.
Sorry. Less than is already there. Less than or equals to.
Or what?
Greater than equals to. Greater than or equals to. This is not equals to. So see, this double equal to means exactly equal to, not even single digit or any that can make difference. No. Sit. Now we'll go. Huh? What happened? Let's see here. Babu, git na gana ki tarsan. Promotion is just sit silent only. That is assumption. Go away, gun. This side. Sajid. Hit la one. Look at there. But this one equals double equal to, suppose when you have to use this in our program equals to how? Suppose we can use one example. For example, we will compare two numbers. If it is equal to if both of them are equal, then we can say equal to, otherwise not equals to. So for that, what we can do is a comma b. We declare the two variables first. I know. So see here, enter a number, enter first number. First number. So directly, okay, first we'll see the directly, okay. So if a is equals to 1 and b is equals to what? 2. Yes? Then we'll compare. If syntax control structure will come later, but let's equal to b, right? Then print f. What? Equal to what? This is true then. This is equal to.
Not equal.
Equal only, let's say. Are equal, are not equal. Anything not equal. Anything you can write. Are equal. Anything means you can just give the. You can write here after this. Then else. Print f.
Not equal.
Not equals. Okay. Okay. Then this is bracket. Okay. So this is not equal, okay. So syntax you can make it to look clear. You can, for convenience. What you're asking? So fine. So if you give the value both equal, okay. This is also 1. This is also 1. Then the condition is true, so they are equal. The first statement will be executed. Okay, it is like similar in C. So this was for today. Okay, we cannot finish that.